Hello, beautiful Africa. Beautiful Africa. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, depending time you're watching this video from amazing Africa. Guys, today videos I want to show you today's video, guys. I want to show you the border, the boundary between Tanzania and Kenya. As I'm taking a walk, guys, you can see, guys, this is how I'm starting my video today. If you're new here, I want to remind you that I'm your favorite, most very favorite friend. I am Ramsey. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you've come across this video today, you'll see good things. Today you will see how border of Tanzania and Kenya is being separated, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Keep tuning on, guys. So guys, I told you that today videos I want to show you the border of Tanzania and Kenya. Actually, I'm just taking a walk to heading where the boundary is. You know, me, I thought that is my thinking capacity. I thought that when you reach Tanzania and Kenya, you find a very long foundation there. So that it was like, you know, for a guy to I thought that there's a wall, but there's no wall there. No wall. So in order to see and know what I'm talking about, let's go. Hoping to continue watching this video. I'll show you more and more. Let's go, guys, and walk with me on the road. So guys, like I was saying, tajiri takuona. So like I was saying, I'm on my way. Let me turn the camera so that you can see where I've reached. Yes, guys. Now, this is a road. You can see that motorbike is coming here. There is a motorbike carrying magendo, importing from Tanzania to Kenya. Maraba. Now, guys, you know, I wanted to tell you something. Why have I decided to record this video? You know, this video actually have decided to show you how we are favored, we people who lives in we are near border of Tanzania. You know, I'm gonna stand here and show you that place you're seeing is Tanzania. Here is Kenya. Here it's Kenya. But that one is Tanzania. Let's go. Now, guys, I'm here. You can see now where I'm sitting here. It's where this is Tanzania now. This is where I'm sitting. Yes. Sitting at Tanzania. People are working. This is a trailer that has maize. You can see the pillar here. Talking of this pillar, this is, if you see this pillar, it shows you that this is TZ, Tanzania. I'm in Tanzania. But if you see it well there on the road there is Kenya. But this one where I am is Tanzania. So guys, coming here to Tanzania, actually was just coming to see how things are going, how are they operating, what are they doing in the near border. You see, have maize here. They are selling maize. Here is maize. Let me show you the maize. This is maize. This maize, guys, and you know, Tanzania, don't have that soda called Coca-Cola, but if they have a lot, this is what they have. It's called Pepsi. You can see Pepsi. It's their bottle. Another one is Mirinda. See, this one is Mirinda because they are soda. And if you can see it well, guys, you will see it said somewhere here. You see? That's why I'm telling you we are at Tanzania border. You know, mostly what is the business that is occur here, it's illegal business, you know. We don't follow procedures, we do illegal business. Illegal business does not mean that we are selling drugs, no. Illegal business is the business that does not involve government, so they are doing is Tanzania. They brought things to Kenya. They're exporting, most especially. I saw you border carrying some sodas wherever from where Tanzania to Kenya. That is the main. That is the main what? The main business that is running this border. By the way, this border of Serare, Hispania, in Migori County is very big place. So I told you I will take you. I'll make sure you've seen this. Just taking a bit rest, then I take you walking around. We walk around and see how beautiful is Tanzania. So just walk with me, guys. Let's go. Guys, you're still walking. I'm still walking. Now, where have reached? I don't know. Still walking. We are still walking around Tanzania, guys. Showing you how the environment is at Tanzania. Actually, you can see it's looking good, guys. It's looking so amazing. They have all plant trees over here outside. But let me pause my video because of that noise of music. Still, guys, I'm still passing the Panya roads. This is the road. The road I'm walking around these areas. You can see, guys, telling you Kali. Can you read there? They have written Umbwa anauzwa hapa. They are selling dogs. I see, guys. Now whether you're seeing it, selling dogs here. Guest room called Solo. Solo is the guest room, guys. A room where people can come and rest for the cheapest. You know how much? One night, 5,000 shillings. 5,000 is good. It's equivalent to 50 shillings of Kenya money. They are lodges. Right. Let's keep going, guys. Let's keep going. So, guys, I'm still walking. These are hens. These hens are hens from Tanzania. Hens from Tanzania. Now, guys, I decided to show you that I'm walking Panya roads today. It's good to take nature walk sometimes. Yes, it's good to take a nature walk. You can see where I'm passing. See the house. If I raise my camera like this, you'll see a very tall building called Serengeti Towers. I'll show you guys if I reach there. So Keep watching, guys. I want to show you how Tanzania looks like. It's not bad, it's good. I'm enjoying it. Here we are about to see on the road. Ah, tajiri! So guys, still here. I'm here at Serengeti Towers in Tanzania. Guys, I'm at Serengeti Towers in Tanzania. Just see the view. The view of Serengeti Towers. Serengeti Towers, guys, of Tanzania. It's a good view, guys. So wewe Sami, safi boss. Kwema. Taking shower, guys, you know. Then how Tanzania looks like. Tanzania looks like this. How Tanzania look like. Yes. No, they don't have that as pseudo recordings. They don't want. So I'm recording under. Started the record. It's again time that I'm eating now. This is the road that connects Tanzania and Kenya. Road that connects Kenya and Tanzania. Now, so I'm showing you the road that connects Kenya and Tanzania. So there's so many guys are coming from Tanzania. So guys, this is their gate. Their gate. This is their gate. This is their border. Oh. Guys, this is what they call border. This is where the trucks stand. Their truck, gari zao. This the big one. They park here when you are doing clearance. This is their office. That is their office. That is their office. That is their office. Immigration office. So you can see how Tanzanians look beautiful, guys. It looks very beautiful. It looks so beautiful. Looks amazing, so beautiful, wonderful. This is a lady from Kenya. Hi, mambo? Uko poa? Unauza matunda? Sawa, marhaba. Okay, so that lady is selling some fruits. As you can see, you can all see this. And they are this is the what they call their what? So guys, I said earlier, this is their migration. You can see a good place. So guys, this is our last gate. This is the last gate of Tanzania. We close this one, no one is home. Now this is the last gate out. Now, these people, you can see, where you see these people, this is what we call no man's land here. I am no man's land. I'm I'm showing you no man's land. This is no man's land. Nobody's supposed to build here, not Tanzania or Kenya. This area, as you can see it. This is where they do all trades, Kenya, Tanzania, Uganda, without any tax, because this is a no man's land. This is a no man's land. As you can see, it's a very big, it's a no man's land. No one can ask you anything here. You can do anything you want. You can cry, you can, but any government, not even a Kenyan government or Tanzanian government, can take you from this place, because it's a no man's land. This lot is for no one. It's a no man. That's why you've seen they are trading there. They are doing their business. There's some people who are selling wherever they are doing there. So I'm taking you back to Kenya, guys. I've told you where I was. I was at Tanzania. Now we are going home. Going back home. You can see Tanzania, guys. You see, that is Tanzania there, over there. Here it's our place. We are going home. So guys, in case you are new, haven't watched this YouTube channel, please, I am Ramsey. Subscribe, watch my video, like, comment, and tell me about yourself. How do you feel? Yes, that is it. So thank you guys for watching my videos. Continue popping. Now we are going back to Kenya. Kenya is my place. Kenya is home, where I'm from. Kenya nchi yangu, Kenya na 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 na, Kenya nchi yangu, Kenya la 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 la. Beautiful Kenya, Africa. So this is KRA, Kenya Revenue Authority, guys. Here I am walking nature. Yes. Beautiful Kenya. Kenya nchi yangu. Kenya, my country people. Kenya. Na hii gari inatakaje la mimi? Dereva, relax dereva. Don't bro, you want to step me, bro? Bro, you know I would yo. Wow! Brought you back home again, guys. After this long walk, you've seen Tanzania. I've shown you where Tanzania is. Now we are back home. We are back home, guys. So please keep tuning. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, comments, share, and make sure you watch my video till the end. Thank you so much, guys, for being with me, for supporting me, for watching my videos. If you are new here, in case you haven't subscribed, please, begging you to subscribe and expect more video from me, guys. I'm a little busy, sick, but thank God for the opportunity. I'll be okay. Thank you, guys. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Bye.